I'm taking a brief pause from book nooks to celebrate the spooky season by building this new set from Fifijoy called the Holo Magic City. I've been looking forward to doing this. There are so many details, and I think this is going to be a lot of fun. A lot of work, but a lot of fun. Let's see what's inside. Okay, everything is very nicely packaged. Pardon me while I work on the bubble wrap, and I just might have to pop those later. Stickers and papers, all very important. The directions. That looks like roofing of some sort, maybe? And a whole set of papers. That's a lot of cutting, but I'm sure it will be worth it. Let's check out these directions. Oh, thank goodness. Color directions. You have no idea what a difference it makes when the directions are all in color. Okay, let's go back to unwrapping all of the rest of our supplies. The wooden pieces are right on top there. Oh, there's all the little extra pieces. I'm guessing the light, light boxes in there, the battery pack, I mean. The wooden pieces again. Display case pieces. I love that this came with a dust cover, so we will have to glue those together. It's often a challenge, but worth it. Extra pieces. Oh, a music box. I had no idea this came with one. I'm excited to see that. Okay, let's test the lights. Always test the lights. So important. And these are tricky because you have to get all of the right colors touching. And it's tricky to hold. Whoops, let me get that a little closer. There we go. Everything's working. It's good news. And then a look at all of our wooden pieces. The baseboards and the roofing and all of that seem pretty sturdy. The rest of this is kind of a thinner bamboo type wood. So I'm going to have to be careful about splinters. Okay, the Holo Magic City, let's do this. I've been putting all the pieces together for the inside. I am in love with the little furniture pieces. That bed is too cute. And then here are some flooring pieces. It's about time to put it together. Oh, it's coming together slowly but surely. Takes a lot of patience to do these sets. And here we go. Some more. Let's have one last look. The Holo Magic City is not what I would call a beginner's build, but it is so worth it. Once you see all of the pieces come together, the final effect is just beyond amazing. I highly recommend it.